All right, so this one is for Bojangles. Today we're going to look at Hygo Energy Transition Ltd. So stay tuned. All right, what's going on, you guys and girls? My name is Jose. Welcome back to Rico Suave Investing. If you want to learn about the stock market, investing, financial freedom, then you get to the right place. So make sure you click that like button, subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. So today we're going to be looking at another company that's going to be IPO tomorrow or Friday. I'm getting mixed reports over here, but I believe it's going to be Friday. And the name is Hygo Energy Transition Ltd. It's a natural gas company. So stay tuned. Let's get right into that. But before we begin, I want to give a shout out to my patrons. These people right here are my superheroes. They get a shout out on all of my videos, access to my new Discord, free access to my marketing masterclass, stock market news, portfolio updates throughout the week, and more. You can also find their links to their channels in my description. I'm on YouTube a couple times a week, but I'm on Patron and Discord every single day. So if you don't want to miss anything, the link to my Patreon is going to be in the description. Only $1 per month. Now back to the video. All right, so the first thing that I noticed that was a big red flag for me about this company today was that I can't find a dedicated website to it, you know, like hygoenergy.com or whatever. And I went through every single website. You can see almost all of them are highlighted. I went through and looking for information. And all I can find right here is on the right-hand side. It says the name of the company is Hygo Energy Transition Ltd. Their headquarters are in Bermuda. Founded in 2016, it's a fairly new company, about 4 years old. And the parent company is Golar LNG. So we're gonna go to Golar's website real quick, and this is the parent company for the LTD, right? Limited trade company. The site uses cookies. Okay, we're all set. Golar LNG, from well to grid. LNG mine stream infrastructure. At a glance, they got 45 plus years of LNG mine stream, 1,200 cargoes received by fleet, 1,500 other people employed in global operations, and 2.5 million tons of LNG produced by flying. You can see right there the share price is $10.14, and this is the parent company for Hygo Energy Transition Ltd. As far as the actual Hygo Energy Ltd company, here's your IPO scoop. We're gonna go over to the calendar real quick. We're gonna find the company I keep saying Hydro, it's Hygo. Hygo Energy Transition Ltd. Ticker symbol is going to be HYGO, right? The underwriters are going to be Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs. Low price of $18, high price of $21, and it's going to IPO according to this on Friday, 9/25, okay? September 25th. Now let's go to the company information real quick. Right here it says general information about the company says that we provide integrated downstream LNG solutions to underserved markets by delivering low-cost, environmentally sound energy alternatives to consumers around the world. Our business includes our network of existing and development stage marine LNG import terminals, our ownership of interests in existing and development stage large-scale power plants backed by high-quality off-takers, and the downstream distribution of LNG from our terminals via marine and onshore logistics to major demand centers in Brazil. Natural gas distribution, employees are 63 employees. It was founded in 2016. There's the address in Bermuda, their telephone number. Financial information, they have about $673 million market cap. The revenue, we're looking at $43.96 million in the last 12 months. And the net income is actually negative, $68.62 million. All right, so the company is not profitable, right? Negative net income. Ticker symbol I already said was going to be Hygo. Exchange is going to be NASDAQ. They're going to be offering 23 million shares. And you already know the price and all that good stuff. The Street is reporting their IPO aims to raise $450 million. The firm builds and operates liquefied natural gas or LNG infrastructures in Brazil and other regions. Let's check out the short video right here, and it shows what the company is all about.
Natural gas will be the world's fastest growing major energy source through the year 2040. This energy source carries tremendous benefits for consumers and the environment. It is versatile, clean burning, and abundant. Natural gas resources can be located in remote areas and these resources are produced from subsurface reservoirs, both onshore and offshore. A complex value chain transports natural gas to consumers around the world. The value chain begins with the process of bringing natural gas to market by safely drilling wells to bring the gas and other reservoir components to the surface, where it may be processed on-site or transported to a facility for treating and processing. Natural gas extracted from subsurface reservoirs can contain non-hydrocarbons, including hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water. The treatment processes remove these components from the natural gas. A solvent is used to absorb carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and water. Heavier liquids are removed from the lighter gas for separate processing. Water is removed, and the remaining natural gas is ready to be cooled into a liquid.
All right, so it looks like an alternative to oil and all that, but it seems kind of expensive. It's better for the environment, but it seems like a very expensive and a very complicated process.
Depending on the source of the natural gas, it may need to be transported to a liquefaction facility. The gas is transported by pipeline and can travel hundreds of miles or just a few feet to a liquefaction facility. This depends on where the gas treatment facilities are located relative to the liquefaction plant.
And here's where our company, comes in, Hygo Energy.
The liquefaction plant cools the gas to negative 260 degrees Fahrenheit, or negative 162 degrees Celsius. As the gas cools, it is reduced to 1/600th of its previous volume. The resulting liquefied natural gas is clear, colorless, and ready for transport.
There we go, LNG.
The liquefied natural gas, or LNG, is stored in large insulated tanks until it is ready for shipment. Pipes connect the storage tank to a loading jetty. Regardless of outside temperatures, the LNG inside the tanks and loading facility remains at negative 260 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 162 degrees Celsius. The LNG is then pumped into specially designed LNG ships. LNG shipping tankers transfer natural gas around the world. Some of the largest LNG ships, such as the Q-Max, are longer than 60 city buses. And each Q-Max LNG ship carries enough natural gas to power 70,000 homes for 1 year. When the LNG ship arrives, it is guided to the receiving terminal, where the LNG is unloaded and stored in insulated tanks. The LNG is then pumped into a regasification plant, where it is warmed and converted back to a gaseous state. The natural gas is then ready to complete its journey. A network of pipelines delivers the natural gas to power plants where it is used to generate electricity for urban areas, to industrial facilities for the manufacturing of steel, automobiles, and chemicals, and also to homes and office buildings for heating, cooking, and drying clothes. ExxonMobil is committed to successfully linking the complex elements of the LNG value chain in order to provide natural gas to buyers and consumers around the world.
Cool. All right, so this video is not about ExxonMobil, but that's basically how LNG is made, transported, produced, stored, and all that. So it's basically what Hygo does. It's kind of cool, I gotta admit. Hygo received at least $527 million from investors, including Golar LNG Ltd. Some of their major competitors include Royal Dutch Shell Company, Eniva, Engie. As of June 30 of 2020, Hydro had $107 million in cash and $555 million in total liabilities, so 5 times liabilities compared to cash. If the IPO goes well, the company should be valued around $2.8 billion. More news about the IPO, liquefied gas for Brazil. There are 23 million vehicles powered by natural gas worldwide, according to the U.S. Department of Energy. The net proceeds will be used to fund capital expenditures for business growth and redeem 20 million preference shares held by Stonepeak. So they plan on buying some shares back from Stonepeak with the money they made from the IPO. All right, and that is basically everything I was able to find about Hygo Energy today. The company's relatively new, since 2016. They only got about 60 employees. They produce, LNG, line of natural gas solutions and storage unit areas, and then they give it to Brazil and other power plants around the world. But it seems interesting. We know that they're going to IPO this Friday, the 25th. We know that their price is going to be around $18 to $21, and we know that they're going to offer 22 million shares of the company. But you watch the video on how the LNG works, and that's all we know about the company right now. I mean, if I missed anything, make sure you drop it in the description below and share it with us. Are you looking forward to this company? Let me know in the comments below. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. We'll be back on Saturday with another IPO video. But until then, make sure you guys take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rickosaurus the main. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever known, ya. I take your girl, your house, your money, and leave you broke, son.